Hi students, in this session we are going to learn exercise 26 HCF and LCM. What is HCF and LCM? First we should know the definition of HCF and LCM. The full form of LCM in maths is least common multiple, whereas the full form of HCF is the highest common factor. The HCF defines the greatest factor present in between given two or more numbers, whereas LCM defines the least number which is exactly divisible by two or more numbers. Let's see 26A factors and multiples. What is factors and multiples? A factor is a number that is multiplied with another number to get a product. A multiple is a number that is the product of a given number and some other number. First Roman, write the factors of the following cosines. First cosine, list the factors of 16. How to find the factors of a given number? Here given some images. Now we have to write the answer in center of the image. So factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The second question, circle the numbers below which are the factors of 42. Here given some numbers. Now we have to circle which one is the factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Now we are going to see third question. Write the factors of 40. Here given some star images. Now we have to write the answer in center of the images. Now we are going to write the factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. The fourth question, write the factors of 40 and 32 and circle the common factors. Now we are going to write factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Then we have to write factors of 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we have to find common factors of 40 and 32. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Common factors of 40 and 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Let's see fifth question. Write the factors of 15 in the picture given below. Here given some balloon images. Now we have to write the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Let's see second Roman. Complete the following table and write all the factors of 28. Here given one table. Now we have to fill the box. Then we have to write the factors of 28. 1 multiple with dash is equal to 28. 1 28s are 28. Then dash into 14 is equal to 28. 2 14s are 28. Third one, 4 multiple with dash is equal to 28. 4 sevens are 28. Now we have to write the factors of 28. Factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. See third Roman. Write the multiples of the following cosines. First cosine, count by 15 and complete the table. Here given one table. Here some numbers are missing. We have to complete. So start from 15, then 30, then 45, then 75, 120, 150, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. Let's see. Second cosine. List the first 8 multiples of 3. It's very easy. Now we have to write the 3 table. First 8 multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Let's see third cosine. Circle the numbers below which are the multiples of 6. Here given some numbers. We have to find to circle the multiples of 6. As you know very well, multiples of 6, 12, 48, 24, 18, 30, 36, 42 and 72. Let's see fourth Roman. Fill in the table. One has been given below. Here already given the tables. Here given some numbers. We have to check whether these numbers are multiple of 3 and factor of 36. If it is multiple of 3 or factor of 36, we have to use tick mark. If it is not a multiple of 3 or not a factor of 36, we have to use wrong mark. The first one answer already here given. The first number is 15. 15 is multiple of 3. 15 is not a factor of 36. The second number 13. 13 is not a multiple of 3. Third number 6. 6 is multiple of 3. Next 10. 10 is not a multiple of 3. 18. 18 is multiple of 3. 12. 12 is multiple of 3. 13. 13 is not a factor of 36. 6 is factor of 36. 10 is not a factor of 36. 18 is factor of 36. 12 is factor of 36. Now we are going to see 26b, prime and composite numbers. What is prime and composite numbers? Let's see prime numbers. A number having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Let's see composite numbers. A number having more than two factors. Let's see first Roman. Answer the following cosines. First cosine, write the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Here given some balloon images. Now we have to write the answer in center of the balloons. So first we have to find prime numbers from 1 to 20. The first number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. The second question, help the penguin to find the nestlings by coloring all the prime numbers. So now we have to help to penguin. Now we have to find the nestling by coloring all the prime numbers. The first prime number is 2. Now we have to color. Then 11, 13, 7, 19, 23, 29, 41, 3 and 31, 43 and 47. Let's see third question. Circle the numbers below which are composite numbers. Here given one apple image, there inside given more numbers. Now we have to find to circle the composite numbers. First we should know the definition of composite numbers. What is composite numbers? A number having more than two factors. Now we are going to circle the composite numbers. The first number is 36, then 25, 6, 10, 12, 44, 81 and 64. Let's see fourth question. Write the composite numbers from 1 to 25. Here given some flower images. Now we have to write the composite numbers from 1 to 25. The first number is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25. Let's see second Roman. Determine whether the number is a prime number or a composite number. Here given some numbers, we have to check whether prime or composite numbers. The first number is 33. 33 is composite number. Second one 41. 41 is prime number. Third one 12. 12 is composite number. Fourth one 13. 13 is prime number. Fifth one 10. Composite number. Sixth one 19. Prime number. Now we are going to see 26C factorization method. First Roman, complete the factor tree. The first one 16. So here some factors missing. So we want to fill it. So for 16, 8 twos are 16. So here 8, 2 fours are 8. Here 4, 2 twos are 4. So 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The second question 36. 3 12s are 36. The 12, 4 threes are 12. Here 4, 2 twos are 4. Therefore 36 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Let's see third question 18. 9 twos are 18. Here 9, 3 threes are 9. So 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Let's see fourth question 54. 9 6 are 54. Here 9, 3 threes are 9. Here 6, 2 threes are 6. 54 is 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. Let's see second Roman. Find the prime factors using short division method. Here given 48. The first question is 48 using short division method. 48 on dividing by 2. 24 twos are 48. On dividing by 2. 12 twos are 24. On dividing by 2. 6 twos are 12. On dividing by 2. 3 twos are 6. On dividing by 3. 1 3 is 3. Prime factors of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Let's see second problem 27. Using short division method 27 on dividing by 3. 9 threes are 27. On dividing by 3. 3 threes are 9. On dividing by 3. 1 3 is 3. Prime factors of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. Let's see third problem 60. Using short division method on dividing by 2, 32s are 60. On dividing by 2, 15 twos are 30. On dividing by 3, 5 threes are 15. On dividing by 5, 1 fives are 5. Prime factors of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The fourth question 125 using short division method on dividing by 5. 25 fives are 125. On dividing by 5. 5 fives are 25. On dividing by 5. 1 fives are 5. Prime factors of 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. Now we are going to see 26D highest common factor. So highest common factor means HCF. The first Roman, find the HCF of the following numbers. First question 15 and 40. Now we have to find the HCF of 15 and 40. Now we have to use the factors method. So first step, now we have to find factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Then we have to find factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. Then we have to write the common factors. Common factors of 15 and 40. The common factors of 15 and 40 is 1, 5. Then we have to find highest common factors of 15 and 40 is 5. So HCF is 5. Let's see second question 12 and 8. The first step we have to find factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then we have to find factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then we have to find the common factors of 12 and 8. Common factors of 12 and 8 is 1, 2 and 4. Finally, we have to find highest common factors of 12 and 8. Highest common factor of 12 and 8 is 4. Therefore, HCF is 4. Let's see second Roman. Find the HCF using the prime factorization method. The first one 18 and 24. So now take 18 using prime factorization method. On dividing by 2, 9 twos are 18. On dividing by 3, 3 threes are 9. So on dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3. Then take 24 on dividing by 2. 12 twos are 24. On dividing by 2, 6 twos are 12. On dividing by 2, 3 twos are 6. On dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3. So the factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. The factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here now we have to circle the common factor of 18 and 24. Here 2 is a common factor of 18 and 24 and 3 also common factor of 18 and 24. So the HCF equal to 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. So HCF is 6. Let's see second problem 6 and 16. So now take 6 on dividing by 2. 3 twos are 6. On dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3. Then take 16 on dividing by 2. 8 twos are 16. On dividing by 2, 4 twos are 8. On dividing by 2, 2 twos are 4. On dividing by 2, 1 2 is 2. Prime factors of 6 is 2 into 3. Prime factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The common factors of 6 and 16 is 2. So the HCF is 2. Now we are going to see 26E least common multiple. So the short form of least common multiple is LCM. Let's see first Roman, find the LCM of the given numbers using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means we can use prime number. The first question is 18 and 24. Let's take 18 on dividing by 2. 9 twos are 18. On dividing by 3. 3 threes are 9. On dividing by 3. 1 3 is 3. Then take 24 on dividing by 2. 12 twos are 24. On dividing by 2, 6 twos are 12. On dividing by 2, 3 twos are 6. On dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3. Prime factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now we have to find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So first we have to underline the common factors of 18 and 24. Here 2 and 3. Now we have to find the LCM. Now first we have to take the common factors of 18 and 24. Already we have to underline 2 and 3. So then take the another all factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to multiply all the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we get 72. The LCM is 72. Let's see second problem 6 and 16. So now take 6 on dividing by 2. 3 twos are 6. On dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3. Then take 16 on dividing by 2, 8 twos are 16. On dividing by 2, 4 twos are 8. On dividing by 2, 2 twos are 4. On dividing by 2, 1 2 is 2. Prime factors of 6 is 2 into 3. Prime factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we have to underline the common factor of 6 and 16. So here 2 is common factor of 6 and 16. So now we have to find the LCM. So LCM equal to, so already we have to underline the common factor of 6 and 16, that is 2. So take 2. So another take all the factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So the LCM is 48. Let's see second Roman. Find the LCM of the given numbers using the short division method. So LCM means least common multiple. The first problem is 9 and 15. Now take 9 and 15 on dividing by 3. 3 threes are 9, 5 threes are 15. On dividing by 3, 1 3 is 3 and take 5. On dividing by 5, 1 5s are 5. The LCM of 9 and 15 is, LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So the LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So LCM equal to 45. Let's see second problem, 50 and 100. So using short division method, 50 and 100 on dividing by 5. 10 5s are 50, 20 5s are 100. So on dividing by 5, 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20. On dividing by 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. On dividing by 2, 1 2 is 2. LCM of 50 and 100 is, LCM is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. So LCM equal to 100. So LCM equal to 100. Thank you, students.